Today's video is about driving fails, mistakes, how to not drive, and bad drivers. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. Rear radar sensors stopped working for some reason and didn't warn me. Why you should never fully trust the tech and actually look, as one should always.
Không cần phải trả tiền agent, tôi có thể mua nhà for sale by owner. Những người nói như vậy là những người ta có cái kinh nghiệm, người ta có kiến thức, người ta có khả năng đọc hiểu tiếng Anh về những cái từ chuyên môn về real estate.
I was driving east on Highway 22, and the vehicle pulled out in front of me from Duane Road. There was a woman driving, and there was a kid in the back of the vehicle standing up and not buckled. I feel that if I had hit the vehicle, the kid would have gone right through the windshield. People really need to pay attention to their surroundings and their kids. The SUV started by going into a right-hand turn-only lane to go around the car that was properly stopped at the red light to continue straight through the intersection, coming incredibly close to hitting myself. Big rig stopped and checked on the CRV. Driver was so nice and airdropped the dash footing so she could give to State Patrol and Insurance. I-70 Georgetown.
Fuck? What the heck, man? What the fuck is your problem? What are you doing? Fat fuck.
In Fort Worth, I'm meteorologist Brad Barton from the WBAP Weather Center.
Emotional testimony continues in the trial for the North Texas doctor accused of injecting.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Blatant red light runner causes accident on the Carlisle Pike in Mechanicsburg. Driver of the truck didn't even try to stop and looked like they were barely able to see over the steering wheel. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. He ran the right turn arrow on green, and that was his reaction to my polite signal.
Dude, what the fuck was that? Jesus Christ.
The car was tailgating and did not have time to move over. The left lane was blocked for a street sweeper in the left lane. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. Not paying attention plus road obstacle at 70 miles per hour on Highway 285. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.